Hey YouTube, Zach here with Savage Traveling. I'm back in Bangkok. I'm down here at the Riverview Residence. I found this place for $12 a night on booking.com. Booking says it's regularly $41 a night, so I think I got a little score here. Definitely spacious, definitely clean. There's a rooftop restaurant. I'll throw a pic up of that right now. Not bad. Air's cold. I haven't had a chance to check out the water yet. But overall, nice little spot. They give you 2 bottles of water down here a day. You know, no complaints. I'm gonna go take a walk around that little local neighborhood. It's kind of eclectic and Thai style, you know what I mean, where we're at. And we're just gonna see what's up because I don't have any plans. I come back from Pattaya and it's time to move on. So join me, shall you? Alright guys, here's the front of the Riverview Residence. The restaurant's called the River Vibe. It's on the 8th floor. So we're gonna cruise this way. Like I said, I don't really know what's around here. I know what's back behind me. We're gonna go this way. Explore a little, I guess. I don't know, there's a photo hostel. I guess this is some kind of market type thing. Well, maybe not. I'm not sure. Bangkok, baby. Yeah, I was in Pattaya like 7 days. That's about all I need. I want to say about 3 days, but you get lazy, you know what I mean? Yeah, just a nice little Thai neighborhood, man. Down here by the river, like I said. I haven't stayed over here before, so I figured I'd stay at least a night. I might fly to Phuket. I'm not sure. I got about 10 days left here till I gotta... Oh, here's the river. Till I gotta go back home. Oh, maybe we can't go in there. Can we walk in here? Oh, we'll see. Basically going back home to do another stem cell transplant, which got put off. That's why I came on this trip, and then I was here about 5 days and was told I needed to get back home. So if you wanted to know my story. Oh, good. Beautiful shot of the river. Big old river ferry. Oh wow, carp or catfish or something. Looks like catfish. Having an orgy over there or something. He's catching with a net. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful evening. But yeah, that's my story, is figure I'd go home and help my dad, you know what I mean? It's not right away after I get back, but I gotta get back and I gotta fix my van because we're gonna be in Nashville, Tennessee, and I'll be driving back and forth quite a bit from Nashville to where I'm at in Indiana, and my van is not ready. But they're shutting me off, so I better get out of here. All right. Just like I said, your laid back Thai neighborhood. They obviously doing some work down here. Pretty neat. But like, my trip was only planned for 30 days, give or take. And like I said, I got the call, and if I know I got stuff to do back home, it's hard for me to relax here. So I figure I come back about a week early, get to work, you know, not spend as much money as I was going to here. So it's just all better. And then maybe come January, we can get the stem cell transplant done. Or a top off, because I've already gave him stem cells. This is like a top off because the first one didn't work. So we're going to try again. Thankfully we get another chance, because we didn't know if we were going to get another chance. And I'm grateful to be able to give him another chance, you know what I mean? Bangkok, baby. Yeah, so like I said, I'm going to enjoy my last week here. I might fly down to Phuket tomorrow or the next day. I don't know yet. The flights are only like $25, $30, so it's hard. But like I said, to get around Phuket's expensive, and I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I looked into going to Chiang Mai, and it sounds like it's a ghost town, but they say that about everywhere online. So I'm not sure what I'm doing. We're going to cross the street. I got that much down. And then I'll regroup, you know, because we'll be in Nashville for 4 weeks. I hear my sister has some time, so she can come help. And, you know, it's just another one of those things you got to do. Trust me, I'd much rather just not go back to the United States, but my world kind of revolves around that place, unfortunately, for right now. I really came to the point of Thailand as I've been over here 5 or 6 times now, and it's like, it's how I feel about Florida, is if I can't stay there forever, I don't even want to come back, you know what I mean? Like, I love them too much. So I'll take the mask off for a few minutes. The worst that happens anymore is they just avoid you in the street. Like, when I was here 5 months ago, they were ticketing people and stuff, but not really anymore, but I've heard. But yeah, you guys see, it's just old Bangkok. And a tip that I like to get the most out of Bangkok, I try to do, is I try to stay at a different little part of town each time I'm here, relative to what I'm doing after the fact, you know what I mean? So I might cruise down to Khao San later. I know it's Sunday night. We probably missed, obviously we missed Friday and Saturday. So I don't know, I might walk. It's like far away from here. Let's go this way. I know this probably won't be the most exciting video in the world, but I don't care. Oh, they're going to town over there. But yeah, like I said, I'm just out for a stroll. No real purpose to this video, other than, you know, give you guys a quick update of what I'm doing, what's going through my head, and the future of this. I will tell you, as when I booked a flight home, then I decided it wasn't the best date. Didn't think about just changing the ticket. Went and to cancel it because it said it was going to give me a refund instantly. Well, it's travel credit on my American Airlines account, so which is whatever, but I had to buy a whole nother ticket home. So now I have a whole ticket voucher, like a whole round trip ticket here back, basically. Well, close maybe. So the point is I have travel planned for the future. Now I doubt I come back here just because I want to go other places. This was like the only place to go at the time. I know it. I know people. It's always a good time, but it's definitely not as exciting as the first couple trips, you know what I mean? Like, but then again, this is twice I've been here this year, so that happens. You know, the thrill is gone, so they say. But I think with that ticket voucher I have, in the spring, if I can wait till April when the weather starts getting better, maybe in Europe, maybe India, like I have no idea. Just the way it is. So that's the future, maybe. I want to keep making videos once I get back to the States, though. I really don't know about what. Maybe I will try. I'm not sure, guys. I'm really not sure. YouTube seems to be harder and harder for me as time has went on. Like, you know, it's just, I just don't have the ideas don't come as like they used to. Right. Here we are. If anybody is wondering, is this Chinatown? Kind of looks Chinese. Those are definitely Chinese characters. Let's go this way. Guess we are in Chinatown. This looks like the main road in Chinatown, so I didn't know I was close to it. Yeah, because, well, it says Chinatown everywhere. Chinatown, shark fin. I don't know, might put my mask back on here. Well, maybe. Alright guys, that was my short little tour and a little explanation of what I got going on. I'm going to stop this and then we're going to do a Chinatown tour video, so watch the next video. Peace.